To connect Gmail leads to CRM via Pabbly Connect, the first thing is click the Create Workflow button from your dashboard and then type your preferred workflow name. Click Create. On the next page, try to search Gmail. As you can see, for the Trigger app, Gmail is not available. So what we will do instead is search for the app or choose your preferred app where your leads will come from. For example, Google Sheets. And then choose this as your preferred trigger event. Next is just follow the instructions on the screen to connect your Google Sheets account to Pabbly. And then click the Add button. And then for step 2, search Gmail. And then for the action event, choose Send Email. Click Connect. And then you can either choose select existing connection or add new connection to connect your Gmail account to Pabbly, and then click Save. Next is click the Add button again, and then choose your preferred CRM app, for example, Zoho. And then for the action event, choose Create Contact, click Connect, and then click Connect with Zoho CRM to connect your Zoho account to Pabbly, and then click Save. With this setup, what will happen is that the recipients or the leads from your Gmail that you're sending the email to will be saved as a new contact to your CRM or to Zoho app. All right, now you know how to connect Gmail leads to CRM via Public Connect, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.